My name is Akshay, and let me introduce you to UP32 Knights, the Lucknow Chess Club. So, now who are we? We are a community of chess lovers and enthusiasts in Lucknow who aim to meet during the weekends, probably play a little chess over the board, and grow the game in this beautiful city of ours. Now, you must be wondering why did I name it 32, UP32? It's very simple because UP32 is Lucknow's official registration number and there are 32 pieces on the chessboard. Now, Lucknow has a brief history with chess. It has a certain amount of legacy that goes with it. The Lucknow railway station called Charbagh was built around 1923 and partially it appears like a chessboard from the top view with each of its turrets and domes that look like actual chess pieces. So these magnificent domes that I'm talking about, along with these smaller towers, windows, and archways, are so built that they look like pawns and bishops. And if you don't believe me, you can Google it. And see. In fact, in popular culture, the Satyajit Ray classic called Shatranj Ke Khiladi, many of you must have seen. There's a famous scene that depicts the Nawab of Lucknow, Wajid Ali Shah. He's leisurely playing chess. In the backdrop, the British soldiers are marching in. So there's always been this culture of chess in Lucknow, or Shatranj as we call it. So why did I form this club? It's very simple. During the lockdown, there were not many OTB events happening and not many of them visibly happening in Lucknow. And we were stuck playing online. But as we saw recently in the Tata Steel tournament and also in the Altibox chess, Norway chess, we saw that over the board has its own fun and its own excitement. And the major inspiration to form this group has to be the company whose t-shirt I'm wearing, Sagar Shah and Chessbase India. So a chess boom which was powered by the enterprising comedian, of course, our Samay Raina, and which has been taken forward by many comedians like Vaibhav Biswa and chess geniuses like Vidit, Adiban, Tanya, Rajabao, Anish. I realized that there was an unserved market, at least in my city. So I formed the group, created its social media pages, a temporary website, did some promotions, and voila, we had digital partners in a streaming company called Sportstrex, a venue partners in a popular cafe called Mr. Sandwich, and some local media who are also ready to cover our inaugural event on 7th February. The response has been overwhelming, and all this has happened within 4-5 days. So now I'm heading to the first event. I'm very excited. Let's just get there and see how it goes. Okay, so the day of the event is here and currently driving to the event venue. A lot of people have claimed that they will show up. So let's see how this goes. I'm super excited and let's play chess. Let's create a culture of chess in this beautiful city of ours. See you at the event. So hello everyone, this is the first inaugural meet of the Lucknow Chess Club. We are at the venue right now. Already a few participants have showed up. This is Vedant, this is Arshad, and this is the location in Indiranagar, Lucknow. And we've stepped in here, placed the chess board. So this is our top table, which is why we have table number 1, which is the wooden board over here. And we have the second table, we have the third table, we have the fourth table over here. Some nice Lucknow sunshine on a winter afternoon. And this is the cafe. This is where we've set up our chess boards. So this is the venue, and we'll begin with the event very shortly. So stay tuned.